To live connected is to find a sense of place. A place that invites us to firmly embed ourselves in our physical surroundings and nearby human communities. Nestled amidst cedar forests and rugged shorelines, Depoe Bay offers a deep-rooted sense of belonging. And the power of the Pacific fosters an intense relationship between human and ocean. Depoe Hills, a master-planned community perched above Depoe Bay, encapsulates inspiring panoramic views of the coastline. Here, connection is at the heart of everything. Whether you're a family seeking adventure, a retiree yearning for tranquility, or a young professional desiring a work-life balance, Depoe Hills is a launching pad for an inspired lifestyle. See farther. Live at Depoe Hills.